In this video, I will show you how to download and install Apex Legends on Windows PC. So open any web browser. Now here type Apex Legends and open this official link. Now click on download for free. Here select Origin on PC. You can select another format. Then click on download on PC. Once you download successfully, install and sign in your account or create a free account using your Gmail and password. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. And in few seconds we can know how to download and install Apex Legends on Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.